Do you ever wonder how an SUV can be both a rugged adventurer and your everyday best friend? Because somehow the 2026 Toyota RAV4 pulls it off, and it makes you question, why settle for less? Now, let's get real for a second. In a world obsessed with luxury crossovers and high-performance beasts, the RAV4 doesn't just chase trends, it creates its own lane. And guess what? In 2026, it's sharper, smarter, and more daring than ever. At first glance, you might think the RAV4 spent some serious time at the gym. Bold, chiseled lines, a wider stance, and that front grille. Yeah, it's not just there to look tough. It's there to make a statement. New LED lighting signatures, aerodynamic side panels, and fresh color options like Lunar Wave Pearl and Storm Shadow Gray. They're subtle flexes that whisper, I'm stylish, but I can still climb a mountain if I feel like it. But the RAV4 isn't just flexing muscles, it's got the moves too. Under the hood, you've got choices. The classic 2.5-liter dynamic force engine that's surprisingly peppy and fuel efficient. And this is where it gets juicy. The latest plug-in hybrid version, boasting over 340 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just an eco-warrior, it's a silent assassin on the highway. 0 to 60, about 5.7 seconds. For a RAV4, I mean, who saw that coming? Inside, it's a whole different vibe. Toyota's taken a hard look at what drivers actually want, and they delivered. Soft touch materials wrap around the cabin. A panoramic sunroof floods the interior with light. And the centerpiece? A stunning 14-inch touchscreen that feels more like a command center than a car display. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates. It's like they turned the RAV4 into your favorite gadget. And let's talk about tech because, oh man, Toyota went off this year. There's an all-new AI-powered personal assistant. Just say, hey Toyota, and boom, it's ready to navigate, DJ, or even adjust your climate settings. Adaptive cruise control is now smoother than ever. Lane tracing feels almost telepathic. And the pièce de resistance? Toyota's new Guardian mode, a feature that can gently intervene if it senses you're distracted or drowsy. It's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired or judgy. But here's the thing most people miss about the RAV4. It's not about being the flashiest or the fastest. It's about being the most reliable partner in your daily story. That road trip you've been dreaming of, that sudden rainstorm on a grocery run, that unexpected trailhead calling your name on a Sunday afternoon. The RAV4 doesn't just handle it, it thrives in it. And Toyota didn't forget the adventurers either. The 2026 TRD off-road model gets even beefier with redesigned all-terrain tires, reinforced suspension tuning, and underbody protection that basically dares you to find the worst trail possible. So why does the 2026 RAV4 matter? Because it reminds us that versatility isn't boring, it's badass. Because sometimes, the most extraordinary journeys come from cars that feel like old friends, ones that just keep getting better. Now, if you're as impressed as I am with what Toyota's done here, don't keep it to yourself. Smash that like button, drop a comment below telling me what you'd tackle first in the new RAV4, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that are shaping the future of driving.